Hello, you're watching Age of Mobiles. Today I'm gonna refurbish my Nokia 6120. I'm gonna assemble my old mainboard with LCD with a new cover. So now let's take away things we want to use at the moment. So my middle cover is already assembled with antenna. It's easy enough, as you see. I can take it away right now. But actually I don't need to do it. But I'll show you from the very beginning how it's gone. So it's installed. Now we put main board. And now we place the UI board. Let's remove some from the screen. So it's here. Now let's fix it with the screws. And then two more. One more left. So here it is. It's already assembled. Seems it's the best way to remove dust is just to blow on it. See, perfect. Now I put the keypad. Seems nothing is left. Yeah, now it's good. Now we remove the foil from the rear part. I'll put it to the old screen. So now we should click it. So it's okay. Now I also put the battery at first. Now let's put the antenna cover and the battery cover. So here it is. Our Nokia 6120 Classic is already assembled. Stay with Age of Mobiles and good luck in collecting rare mobile phones.